What if the toy your child is playing with today is actually training them to become an engineer tomorrow? Robot toys are no longer just for fun. They are powerful learning tools that combine play with real-world engineering skills. At platforms like IEM Robotics, learning starts with building, not memorizing. When kids build robot toys, they are actually learning core engineering concepts. Electronics, connecting circuits, sensors and motors. Programming, telling machines how to think and act. Mechanics, understanding movement, gears and structure. These are the same fundamentals used in real-world technologies like automation, smart devices and robotics systems. But the real magic happens when things don't work. Kids learn to debug, fix errors, and improve designs, just like real engineers. They don't just follow instructions, they innovate. A simple robot toy can lead to building advanced systems, from obstacle-avoiding bots to smart automation projects. With hands-on kits, students explore technologies used in AI, IoT, and robotics engineering. Today's play becomes tomorrow's profession. Because when kids build, experiment, and create, they are not just playing, they are becoming innovators. Explore hands-on robotics learning with IEM Robotics and turn curiosity into real engineering skills.